Good morning, everybody. This is Professor Hazel S. Matthias from the Department of Mathematics, KLS Vishwanath Rao Deshpande Institute of Technology, Haldia. In the previous class, we were discussing about numerical predictor and corrector methods, and we have discussed how to solve these numerical predictor and corrector, how to solve the differential equations of first order first degree using Milnes and Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formulae. So let's discuss briefly regarding those formulae. By now you must be thorough with those formulae. Okay, I have given yesterday some tricks to remember. First one, Milnes predictor formula. We take it as usually y4 power p. Suppose if we have a differential equation, say dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with a set of four predetermined values, y of x not equal to y naught, y of x1 equal to y1, y of x2 equal to y2, y of x3 equal to y3. Set of four predetermined values for equally spaced values of x. Equally spaced values of x, we have set of four predetermined values. Then using Milnes predictor formula, y4 power p is given by y naught plus 4 times h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. This is Milnes predictor formula. Then how Milnes corrector formula is given by, see, it was y naught, corrector formula starts with y2. Then here it was 4h by 3, that's why it is h by 3 over here. Then y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. These are Milnes predictor and corrector formulae. I hope you all have learned this, how to remember these formulae. Correct? Let's go for Adams-Bashforth. Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formula. So y4 power p, that is equal to y3 plus h by 24. Remember this, y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash. Alternatively positive and negative signs, so minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So this is a predictor formula. Then Adams-Bashforth corrector formula, y4 power c. Here this y3 plus h by 24, it is same in both predictor and corrector formulae. Then it is 9 times y4 dash plus 19 times y3 dash minus 5 times y2 dash plus y1 dash. Practice these formulae because in the exam there will be many things to remember. So there may be a confusion. That's why I'm saying everybody practice this formulae, then it is easier for you all to solve the problem. Once you all know the formulae, problems are very easy to solve. So we have discussed two questions. Let's discuss the third question. You can go through the question which is given in the notes. Third question says that the given differential equation. What is the differential equation? dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2 into e power x minus y of 0 equal to 2, y of 0.1 that is equal to 2.010, then y of 0.2 that is equal to 2.040, and y of 0.3 is equal to 2.090. Correct? Now we need to find the value of y of 0.4. We need to find the value of y of 0.4 correct to 4 decimal places using Milnes predictor corrector method and Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector method. So data is given. First write down the given values of x, y so that you can find the value of y dash. So first make the column, write down what is x, then write down what is y, then you can find out the value of y dash. What is y dash, which is given over here? It is 2 e power x minus y. So this is the value of x, y and y dash. Now list out the values. So first here, what value of x is given? First one, y of 0 equal to 2. That means x naught value is 0 for a given y naught value to be 2. Isn't it? Y of 0 equal to 2. That means what? Y value is 2 for a given value of x. So x naught value is 0, y naught will be 2. So this is y1, this is y2, this is y3. And all these values are x naught, x1, x2 and x3. So what is the value of x1? x1 value will be 0.1. What is the value of x2? It is 0.2. What is the value of x3? It is 0.3. Corresponding y1 value, it is 2.010. Y2 value, it is 2.040 and y3 value, it is 2.0090. Any doubt? This is the value which is given. We have listed out over here. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now find out the value of y naught dash. Y naught dash. We know the value of x and y. You need to substitute here in this formula. Y dash is equal to 2 e power x minus y. You need to substitute the corresponding x and y values. Now substitute. It is 2 into x value is 0 minus 2, y value is 0. So e power 0 is 1, 2 minus 2 will be 0. Next find y1 dash. What will be y1 dash? 2 into e power x. X value is 0.1 minus y1 value is 2.010. Calculate and tell me what is it.
Ma'am, 0.2003, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer?
0.20034.
0.2003.
Okay. So it is 0.2003. Next, find y2 dash. What is y2 dash? 2 into e power. Now x value is 0.2 minus corresponding y value is 2.040.
Ma'am, 0.4028, ma'am.
0.4028.
0.4028.
0.002. Okay. Next, find y3 dash. Everybody work out. Y3 dash. It will be 2 into e power 0.3 minus y value is 2.090.
0.6097.
0.6097. Is it correct? Is this table clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will move on to the Milne's method. We have to use Milne's. First we will discuss Milne's because we have to find out using both the formula. So Milne's predictor formula. What is Milne's predictor formula? Y4 power p, that is equal to y naught plus 4 times h by 3 2 y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. Now substitute. What is y naught value? From the table you can go looking for y naught value. It is 2. 4 into h. What is the difference? Step size. What is the step size? Difference between the two successive terms of x. It is, what is the difference?
0.1.
0.1. It is 0.1 divided by 3. Here see the difference. This is 0.1. Here also it is 0.1. Here also the difference is 0.1. So h is 0.1. Next 2 times y1 dash. From the table y1 dash value is 0.2003 minus y2 dash value is 0.4028 plus 2 times y3 dash value is 0.6097. Work out everybody. Please practice. Do not read out just the answer. Work out. Very important.
Ma'am, 2.1623, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody, any other answer?
.1622.
2.1622, 2.1623. Anybody, any other answer?
Ma'am, 2.1622.
Okay, 2.1622. Done? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So we have found now y4 power p, that is the predicted value of y4 we have found out. Now we need to apply the corrector formula. What is the corrector formula? Y4 power c, that is equal to, what is it? It is y2 plus h divided by 3 into, what is it? Remember, h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. Now here you see this y4 dash we do not know. That's why we need to find that y4 dash. So we know the formula for y dash. What is y dash formula? See here. Y dash is 2e power x minus y. From the formula it is given 2e power x. Y dash is 2e power x minus y. So y4 dash will be 2 into e power x4 minus y4. Here we use the predicted value for y4. So according to that, what will be the value of y4 dash? It will be 2 into e power x4. x4, x3 is 0.3. x4 will be 0.4. So x4 is 0.4 minus y4 power p. The predicted value of y we got it just now, 2.1623. From this, what is the value of y4 dash?
Ma'am, 0.8213, ma'am.
Okay, 0.8213. Anybody, any other answer?
0.8213.
0.8213, ma'am.
Okay, done. So we have got y4 dash value. Now let's substitute in the corrector formula. y4 power c, that is equal to y2. What is the value of y2? 2.040. 2.040 plus h value is 0.1 divided by 3 into y2 dash. y2 dash is 0.4028 plus 4 times y3 dash is 0.6097. Correct? 0.6097, then plus y4 dash. y4 dash we calculated just now, that is 0.8213. Calculate this. Everybody work out.
Ma'am,
2.162.
2.1073.
2.1621.
2.1621. Anybody, any other answer? No answer? Same everybody?
2.2442.
No, not 2.244. See, if you get that answer, you will understand it is wrong. Look at the y4 predicted value, 2.1623. So corrector value also should be somewhere closer to 2.1623. So this is how you can make out whether your answer is correct or wrong. Corrector value should not differ much from the predicted value. It should be somewhere closer. So we got the answer here as 2.1621. Shall we continue? Everybody got that? Or somebody still doing?
Got, ma'am.
Okay. So now remember that corrector formula has to be applied twice. So in order to apply the corrector formula, we need to find the value of y4 dash. y4 dash is 2 into e power x4 minus y4. Before we use the predicted value, now we use the corrected value. So it is 2 into e power 0.4 minus y4 corrected value. It is 2.1621. Tell me what is it?
0.8215, ma'am.
Okay. 0.8215. Anybody, any other answer?
Same answer, ma'am.
Okay, then now apply the corrector formula. Y4 power c, that is equal to y2 is 0.040. All the values are same except y4 dash. So plus 0.1 divided by 3 into 0.4028 plus 4 times 0.6097 plus 0.8215. So what is it?
21, ma'am.
1621.
2.161.
2.1621. Is it clear how to solve using Milne's method, everybody? Any doubt, anyone? Anybody, any doubt? So first we need to apply the predictor formula. Then in order to calculate corrector formula, we need to find what is y4 dash. Then find that and substitute in the corrector formula. You will get the corrected value. So apply the corrector formula again by finding out y4 dash. Then you use corrector formula for y4 so that you get the solution of the differential equation using Milne's method. That is y of 0.4 value will be 2.1621. Is it clear, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's solve this problem using Adams-Bashforth corrector and predictor formula. So use the Adams-Bashforth corrector and predictor formula according to Adams-Bashforth. Adams-Bashforth. What is the predictor formula? Y4 power p, that is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So according to this, substitute. What is the value of y3? 2.09 plus h value is 0.1 divided by 24 into 55. y3 dash. Check the table and list out the values. y3 dash from the table is 0.6097. You can check the notes for those values of y1, y2 and y3 etc. Minus 59 y2 dash. y2 dash is 0.4028 plus 37 y1 dash. y1 dash is 0.2003 minus 9 times y0 dash. y0 dash is 0. Calculate this.
Two 2.1615, ma'am.
0.1616.
2.1615. Anybody, any other answer?
Point 16158, ma'am.
158. Okay, you can round it off here. 158. So approximately you can write it as 2.1616. Okay, so this is the predicted value. Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then y4 power c corrector formula using Adams-Bashforth. It is y3 plus h divided by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So apply this one. What do we get? In order to apply, we need to find the value of y4 dash. y4 dash is equal to, how do we find y4 dash? It is 2 into e power x4 minus y4 power p. Now we have to use the predicted value. So it is 2 into e power x4 is 0.4 minus y4 power p. We've got it over here. That is 2.1616. What is it?
Ma'am, 0.822, ma'am.
Okay, 0.822. Anybody, any other answer?
Yep, sir, ma'am.
Okay. So now use the corrector formula, y4 power c. Substitute in the corrector formula, y3 value we have to use. What is the y3 value? It is 2.09 plus 0.1 divided by 24 into 9 times y4 dash. What is y4 dash? We calculated just now. It is 0.822 plus 19 into 0.6097 minus 5 times y2 dash. What is the value of y2 dash? It is 0.4028 plus y1 dash is 0.2003. So what is it? Calculate.
2.1615.
Okay, anybody, any other answer?
Two 2.1615, ma'am.
Okay. Practice, everybody. Darshan, did you get the answer? Mega? Mega.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Same
Okay.
answer.
Okay. Praveen. Praveen, what is the answer?
Ma'am.
Okay. So what answer we got it? 2.1615. Now we have to use the corrector formula again. So you need to find y4 dash again with the corrected value. So it will be 2 into e power x power 4 minus y4 corrected value you put. Here we put the predicted value. Now we will put the corrected value. So it will be 2 into e power 0.4 minus y4 power c. We calculated just now. That is 2.1615. What is it? Tell me the the value at least up to the 4 decimal places by rounding it off.
0.221.
0.8221.
8221.
Yes, ma'am.
15. Okay, so we found y4 dash. Now substitute in the corrector formula. So we'll get all the values are same except y4 dash. 0.1 divided by 24 into 9 into 0.82215 plus 19 into 0.6097. Same as this one, only y4 you need to change it. Plus, sorry, it is minus 5 into 0.4028 plus 0.2003. Calculate this, everybody. So this gives us the value of y at x equal to 0.4.
And 2.1615, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer?
2.1615.
Okay. Sonia, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rohit,
1615.
Rohit, what's the answer? Rohit is still calculating. Ramu, what is the answer? Rohini,
1615, ma'am.
okay. So y of 0.4 is 2.1615. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss the next question. So you can check the next question. Solve the differential equation y dash plus y plus xy square equal to 0 with the initial values of y. What are the initial values of y which are given over there? Y naught equal to 1, y naught equal to 1, y1 equal to 0.9008, then y3 equal to 0. y2 value is 0.8066, y3 value is 0.722, corresponding to the values of x, where x naught is 0, x1 is 0.1, x2 is 0.2 and x3 is 0.3. By computing the values of y corresponding to x equal to 0.4, applying Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formula. Now they have specifically asked we have to find the solution of this differential equation using Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formula. So list out the things which are given to you all. First, make a column for x, then y, then it will be y dash. See over here, what is y dash from this? Y dash will be equal to, take the terms to the other side, so it will be negative y plus xy square. Am I correct? Y dash plus y plus xy square equal to 0 is given. So y dash will be what? Minus y minus xy square. So I can write it as minus of y plus xy square. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay. Now make three separate table for this. So what will be y dash? Y dash value will be minus of y plus xy square. So you have separate table now. Write down the things which are given. We are given x naught value which is 0, y naught value which is 1. x1 value is given to be 0.1, corresponding y1 value is 0.9008. Then x2 value is given, it is 0.2. So what is y2 value? It will be 0.8066. Next, what is x3 value? 0.3. What will be corresponding y3 value? 0.722. So these are the things which are given to us. These values, set of 4 predetermined values for equally spaced values of x. You need to check this here. They are equally spaced because the difference between them is 0.1. So we have this set of data which is given to us. Now we need to find the value of y naught dash, y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. So what is y naught dash? It was minus of y. Y value is the first value. It is 1 plus 0 into 1. So it will be minus 1. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, find y1 dash. What will be y1 dash? Minus of y1. Y1 value is 0.9008 plus x value, corresponding x value is 0.1 into y square. That will be 0.9008 whole square. So tell me what is the value of y1 dash?
Any country
Ma'am, minus 0.9819, ma'am.
Quickly.
9819.
Ma'am, minus 0.9819.
Okay, so soon you could find out.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Practice it so that it will be easier for the in the exam. 0.9819. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next find y2 dash. What will be y2 dash minus of? Y will be 0.8066 here. 0.8066 plus corresponding x value is 0.2 into 0.8066 whole square. First find the square of this, multiply with 0.8, then add it with 0.8066. Tell me the value of y2 dash.
Minus
minus
0.9367.
0.9367.
Minus 0.93.
0.9367.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
9367. Next find y3 dash. It will be minus 0.722. Y value, corresponding y value is minus, sorry, 0.722. Corresponding x value is 0.3. So plus 0.3 into 0.722 whole square. So what is y3 dash?
Minus
Minus
0.8783.
0.8784.
0.8783.
8784.
Okay, minus 0.8784. Are you all practicing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Basavaraj, are you practicing?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have found out that value. Now let's apply Adams-Bashforth predictor formula. What is it? y4 power p, that is equal to y3 plus h divided by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. Substitute all the values. What is the value of y3 from the table? From the table, all the values are here. You need to substitute that. So y3 value is what? 0.722 plus h value is 0.1, that is the step size. Equally spaced values of x where the difference between two successive points of x is 0.1. So it is h is 0.1. Then 55 into y3 dash. 55 into y3 dash value is minus 0.8784 minus 59 into y2 dash. Y2 dash value is minus 0.9367 plus 37 y1 dash. 37 y1 dash value is minus 0.9819. Then minus 9 into y0 dash value is minus 1. Calculate this one. And whom I asked, though, they are only supposed to answer me, not all. Do not answer until I ask someone. Kavya, you are supposed to answer me. Kavya, Nandita, Prashant, keep ready your answers. Prashant, Praveen, be ready with your answer.
Ma'am, 0.6371, ma'am. 371.
Okay. Praveen, what answer did you get? Praveen.
Point 375.
Okay. Done, everyone? Anywhere, any doubt? See, you can solve this by putting the bracket. See, 55 into, in your calculator only, put the bracket. So you need not write down separately, multiplying these two terms and writing down, then multiply these two terms, then write down. Don't do that. In the calculator, there is a bracket. So use that, multiply all together, then multiply by 0.1, then divide the answer by 24, then finally add it with 0.722. Is it clear what I am saying? In the calculator, there is a bracket sign. So 55 into the answer. So here it will be plus. So you can first only add it as plus. 59 into 0.9367. Then it will be negative. So when you multiply positive with negative, you will get negative. So 37 into 0.9819. Then this minus will become plus. So add 1. Then multiply by 0.1, divide by 24. Then add it with 0.722. So you can do that. That's what I'm saying. Yes? Is it everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So the answer is 0.6371. So this is the answer. Next, now we have to apply the corrected formula. In order to apply the corrected formula, we need to find that y4 dash value first. So what will be y4 dash? We know y dash is minus of y plus xy square. Minus of y plus xy square. So y4 dash will be minus y4 plus x4 y4. Here it is the predicted value we have to use, y4 power p whole square. So it is minus. What is y4 power p? Here we have got it just now, 0.6371 plus x4 value is 0.4, then y4 whole square. So it is 0.6371 whole square.
Minus 0.79940.
Minus 0.79940.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody, any other answer?
Ma'am, minus 0.7995, ma'am.
Minus 0.7995. Anybody, any other answer?
Minus 0.79945.
9945. Okay. Anybody, any other answer? Done? Is it okay? Everybody got it? So what is y4 dash? See, these both answers are same. Here it is rounded off. 4, 5, you can write it as 0.7995. So y4 dash will be minus 0.7995. Now apply the corrected formula, y4 power c, that is equal to, what is the corrected formula? y3 plus h divided by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So this is the corrected formula. Apply the corrected formula. Y3 value, what is Y3 value? 0.722 plus H value is 0.1 divided by 24 into 9 times Y4 dash. 9 times Y4 dash, just now we calculated 0.7995 plus 19 times Y3 dash. What is Y3 dash? Minus 0.8784 minus 5 times Y2 dash. What is Y2 dash? Minus 0.9367 plus Y1 dash minus 0.9819. So what is the corrected value of y4? Just check. And remember that it should be somewhere closer to the predicted value. If it is not, then your answer is wrong. So you should get the answer somewhere closer by 0.6371 only.
0.6379, ma'am.
0.63790, ma'am.
0.69, ma'am.
Anybody, any other answer than this? If you have got something other than this, then tell me, or else no need to repeat.
0.6478.
0.6478. You need to check this again. This is not closer to your predicted value. This is not correct. Do it again.
Yes, ma'am.
0.6419, ma'am.
No, that is also wrong. 0.6419. It should be somewhere closer to 0.637.
And 0.6379, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, 0.641.
then you have gone wrong somewhere. Check once again, everybody. Those who are getting 0.647.
0.6377,
Ma'am, 0.6373, ma'am.
Okay. 6373 is also fine, doesn't matter. But it should be same at least up to the third digit. Okay. When compared to the predicted value, you should not have much difference. Check the predicted value, you have got it as 0.6371. So your corrected value should be approximately 0.637. And afterwards, there may be slight variation. It depends on how you calculate it. That's why I say you take the digits at least 4 digits after the decimal place and round it off. The fourth digit you need to round it off. Suppose if the fifth number is greater than 5 or equal to 5. Remember this. Only when you do this, you will get approximate or correct answers. And even while calculating this, use the bracket in the calculator. Don't just multiply and go on writing. Here also multiply, write. Here also multiply, write the answer, then add it. It will be very long, very difficult to calculate. It will take much time. So instead of that, use the brackets in the calculator. Calculate all of them at a time. Then multiply with 0.1, divide by 0.4. At the end, you add it with 0.722. So this is the corrected value, you got it. Now we need to apply the corrector formula again. For that, find y4 dash. So what will be y4 dash? Y4 dash will be minus y4. Now you have to use the corrected value plus x4 y4c whole square. So according to that, minus, what is the value of y4? We got it, the corrected value 0.6379 plus x4 value is 0.4, then y4 whole square. So according to that, it is 0.6379 whole square. So what will be the value of y4 dash? Just check.
Minus 0.80066.
0.8007. And minus 0.8007, ma'am.
007 or 006 doesn't matter, both are correct answer. So you can apply the corrected formula again, y4 power c, that is equal to 0.y3 value, that is 0.722 plus h by 24, 0.1 divided by 24 into, what is the formula here, 9 times y4 dash. Correct? 9 times. Here y4 dash is minus 0.8007. 9 times y4 dash plus 19 times y3 dash. Y3 dash is, what is the value of y3 dash? Minus 0.8784 minus 5 times y2 dash, so it is minus 0.367 plus y1 dash, which is minus 0.9819. So calculate this, everyone. Please, it's my request. Just simply in the class, work out. Apeksha, are you working out?
Yes, ma'am.
What Apeksha is doing?
Calculating, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
0.67.
good. Do it. 0.63. What is the fifth digit?
379.
0.6375, ma'am. 785, ma'am.
789. 785 or 789. Okay. So what will be the value of y of 0.4? Calculate everyone. You can round it off and write the answer as 6379. Correct? So this is the y4 value. Is it clear? Work out if you're still working out. Don't leave that in between.
And 0.63.
0.63?
37857.
79. 79.
785?
7.
Okay, doesn't matter. You can take till here and round it off. So 85 will become, this will become 9. You can round it off. Okay. You can round it off or you can leave it as it is. Doesn't matter. Is it okay, everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Let's discuss one more question. Fifth question. Apply Milne's method to compute y of 1.4 correct to 4 decimal places given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y divided by 2. Okay, we need to apply Milne's method to compute y of 1.4 correct to 4 decimal places given a differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square plus y by 2 and the data is given. What data is given to us? Y of 1 equal to 2, y of 1.1 equal to 2.2156, y of 1.2 that is equal to 2.4649, y of 1.3 that is equal to 2.7514. This data is given. Let's put it in the form of a table. X, y values, then we will find y dash. What is y dash? Here we have dy by dx can be written as y dash, that is x square plus y divided by 2. So it is x square plus y divided by 2. So what do we get now? List out the terms. X value, that is x naught value. What is x naught value? These are all x naught values. 1, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So x naught value is 1. X1 value is 1.1, X2 is 1.2 and X3 value is 1.3. What are the corresponding Y values? Y naught value is 2. See Y naught value, this is Y naught, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So what will be Y1? 2.2156. What will be Y2? 2.4649. What will be the value of Y3? 2.7514. So these are the things which are given to us. Now let's calculate the value of y naught dash. What will be y naught dash? X square plus y by 2. So x, that will be 1 plus y square is, sorry, it is 1 square. Correct, which is 1, then y by 2, y is 2, 2 divided by 2. So what do we get over here? This is 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Next find y1 dash, which is x square. X will be 1.1 whole square plus y is 2.2156 divided by 2. Tell me what is the value of this?
Ma'am, 2.3178.
2.31.
3178.
Everyone? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next find y2 dash. What will be y2 dash? Here corresponding x value is 1.2. So it will be 1.2 whole square plus y is 2.4649 divided by 2. So what is it?
Ma'am,
2.672.
2.6724.
24.
Only
2.6724, ma'am.
24. Is it everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's find y3 dash. What is y3 dash? Here corresponding x value is 1.3. 1.3 whole square plus y value is 2.7514 divided by 2. I hope you all are understanding. We have to substitute x and y value in y dash, this equation.
3.0657, ma'am.
It is
0657.
3.0657. Is it clear? Is this table clear to everyone? See here, you have the corresponding x and y values which you need to substitute in y dash. Here is the x and y corresponding values we need to substitute over here. So that time we will get y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. Now we need to calculate for a corresponding value of x4, what is the value of y4 we need to calculate. And they have asked us to use Milne's method. So we shall apply Milne's predictor formula. What is Milne's predictor formula? It is y0 plus 4 times h by 3 2 y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. So this is Milne's predictor formula. Substitute this. What is the y0 value? Y0 value is 2 plus 4 times. What is h now here? What is the difference between two successive values of x? What is h?
0.1.
Is it? Anybody, any other answer? Darshan, what is h value? Where is Darshan? Darshan Raichur, what is h
Yes,
value?
ma'am.
H value. What is h? What is h?
I'll calculate it, ma'am. 0.1.
You need not calculate here. See, this is 1, this is 1.1. Difference is 0.1. 1.1, 1.2. Difference is 0.1. 1.2 and 1.3. Difference is 0.1. So this is the h value. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So h value is 0.1. H is 0.1 divided by 3 into 2 times y1 dash from the table. Y1 dash is, here it is, 2.3178. So similarly write down all the values. It is 2.3178 minus y2 dash is 2.6724. Correct? Then y2 times y3 dash, it is 3.0657. Check what is the answer. Everybody work out. Y4, predicted value of y4.
2.5459.
2.5459. Anybody, any other answer?
3.0793, ma'am.
3.0793. Anybody, any other answer?
3.0792, ma'am.
Okay, 9392.
3.077, ma'am.
3.077. Okay, anybody, any other answer?
3.07928.
928. 3.07928. Okay, so these two are same because it's rounded off. 9 to 8 can be written as 3.0793. So these two are approximately same. The rest two are wrong. Those who have got it, redo the calculation. So the answer is 3.07993. So this is the predicted value of y4. Do it everyone, be quick. Anybody, any difficulty? I repeat again, use that calculator properly so that you will be able to get the answer quickly, or else simply the time will be wasted. Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have got the predicted value. Let's calculate the corrector value. So in order to calculate the corrector value, we need the value of y4 dash. And what is y dash? Y dash is x square plus y by 2. So y4 dash will be x4 square plus y4p divided by 2. Because we know y dash, in the question it is given, y dash is x square plus y by 2, x square plus y by 2. So what will be y4 dash? x4 square plus y4 power p divided by 2. So x4 is 0.4, 0.4 whole square. 4 power p we calculated, that is 3.0793 divided by 2. So what is y4 dash? Calculate this.
3.4996.
3.499.
99665, ma'am.
Okay. So we got this. Now apply the corrector formula. What is the corrector formula according to Milne's method? It is y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this is the corrector formula according to Milne's method. Y2 value is, what is y2 value? 2.4649. It is given in the question. Y2 value, see here, y2 value 2.4649. 2.4649 plus h value is 0.1 divided by 3 into y2 dash. All these things we have calculated in the table. What is y2 dash? 2.6724. This is y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash. It is 3.0657 plus y4 dash. It is 3.49965. So what is the answer? Corrected value of y4. Remember, it should be somewhere closer to the predicted value.
3.0793.
0.3.0799.
939. 4, ma'am. 39. 4, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
4. Okay. 3.0794. Everybody got it?
3.0793, ma'am.
Okay, even if you get that, right. Write whatever answer you get it and apply the corrected formula again. If it is somewhere closer to this predicted value, your answer is correct. Now you need to apply the corrected formula again. For that you need to find y4 dash. So it is x4 square plus y4. Now you have to use the corrected value divided by 2. x4 is 0.4 whole square. Corrected value we found out, that is 3.0794 divided by 2. What is it?
3.4997.
3.4997. Now, okay, all got it? 3.4997. Everybody got it?
Yes,
Do it. Apply the corrected formula again, those who have done it. y4 power c. It is y2, that is 2.4649 plus h by 3, 0.1 by 3 into y2 dash. It is 2.6724 plus 4 times 3.0657 plus last you have to replace by what the answer you got it, that is y4 dash. 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this will be the value of y of 0.4. What is it? Check once again. Do not hurry up. Work out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
same as Y4S.
Yes. 3.079.
074.
Correct? Yes. It is same as the previous value we got it. Remember always you need to apply the corrector formula again. Okay, because first you will find y4 dash using the predicted value of y. Here we have found out y4 dash using the predicted value of y. So that's why we need to apply the corrector formula again with the corrected value of y in y4 dash formula. Any doubt in this numerical predictor and corrector methods? Anybody, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it? All these things are clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Parvati, is it clear? Parvati? Praveen? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's meet in the next class. We have discussed today about the numerical predictor methods, that is Milne's method and Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector methods. So main thing here you need to remember is the formulae, which is very important. Okay, so remember these formulae, Adams-Bashforth and Milne's formulae. Use some tricks so that you can remember it easily. I have also told in the previous class. So go through the examples which are given already, which are practice well, especially the formulas. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.